let's see the another structure. If there is modal in active voice, there is modal in active voice, and we know active voice begins with subject, then modals are here: shall, will, should, would, can, would, may, might, must, then ought to, and if there is, this is modal, these are modals, and there are some other auxiliary, other helping verb. So if there is be plus going to, be plus be verb plus going to, or have verb plus to, have to, or has to, or had to, or have to, has to, or had to, or be verb to, then these are some another auxiliary verb. And if any one of these verb will be here, then main verb and then object and full stop. So the object will be the subject, object will be the subject in passive voice, and any one of this will be put here, any one of this. If there is should, shall, will, then should, shall, will. If there is should, there is should. If there would, there will be would. If there is can, there will be can. Is there is could, there is any one of this. According to person, it will be, this will be set here, this will be put here. So if there is shall or will, here will be shall or will. If there is should or would, there will be should or would, any one of this. So this is, and after that and before the verb in the past participle form, after that we must put here be, if this auxiliary verb is there in the active voice. So we must put here after this auxiliary verb be, and the verb is in the past participle form. Verb is in the past participle form. Verb in past participle. Then by and subject will be there, will be object here. This is the structure of passive voice if there is this modal auxiliary and this other verb. So in that case we must put after this auxiliary verb, we must put be verb. Be, we must put be. Now see some examples here. He will do his duty carefully. Duty carefully. So the subject will modal auxiliary, then main verb do, and his duty object. So his duty will take be. So before doing past participle, the main verb doing past participle, then it takes be before the verb. So he will, his duty will be, his duty will, and then be, and the do will be past participle done, and his duty will be done carefully by him. We can see another example. They are going to play cricket. They are going to play cricket in the afternoon. So here the subject they are going to. If there is going to, be going to, or have to, or has to, or had to, or be to, so here we found be going to, so this is be going to, be verb plus going to, so this is an auxiliary verb, so we must put this after subject, and then cricket will be the subject, so cricket, and are going to, as cricket is singular form, so we must put here is going to. According to person it will be changed, we going to, and then after the main verb we must put here be. Cricket is going to be play in the past participle form, played will be in the past participle form, played, then in the afternoon, by them. This is, they are going to play cricket in the afternoon. Cricket is going to be played in the afternoon by them. Here we can see another example. I have to help you. So here subject, then have to plus help plus you, so you will be subject, you here have to, so you have to be help in the past participle form, helped by me. So I repeat, if there is some modal auxiliary or such kinds of verb here, then we must put after this verb or modal verb we must put be, then mul verb will be past participle. So the structure is object will be the subject, then this auxiliary verb will be put here, then it takes be, and after be the verb will be in the past participle form, and then subject will be the object, and before the object we must put by as preposition. So this is the example.